Welcome to this detailed guide on editing your WordPress sidebar in 2025 quickly and efficiently. We will walk you through each instruction so that you feel confident in navigating the WordPress interface and making the changes you need. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress website. This step is straightforward since WordPress offers user-friendly navigation that has been refined over time for ease of access. Once the website has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find a login button. Clicking this button will prompt you to access your personal WordPress account. After selecting the login option, you will notice an option that says Continue with Google. Choosing this button leverages your Google credentials to streamline the login process. All you need to do is click on Continue with Google and then pick the Google account you wish to use. This method is designed to simplify authentication and quickly bring you to your WordPress dashboard without the hassle of recalling separate usernames and passwords. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be presented with the dashboard interface. The next instruction focuses on locating the quick links section within the dashboard. This section is designed for immediate access to frequently used functions. In this case, look for the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site will transport you to the site editor, where you can see a live preview of your website along with its various elements. This interactive view makes it easy to identify the parts that you wish to modify. Within the site editor, your next step is to click on your sidebar. The sidebar is a vital component of your website as it often contains navigation menus, widgets, and other key information meant for your visitors. When you click on the sidebar, you should see a visual indication that it has been selected. This ensures that any changes you make going forward will specifically affect the sidebar area of your website. After selecting the sidebar, you are ready to proceed by clicking on the Edit option. This action will open up the editing interface dedicated to the sidebar, allowing you to adjust its content, style, and arrangement. Editing the sidebar is an important capability because it lets you tailor the appearance and functionality of your website's layout, ensuring that your content and navigation tools are presented in the best possible manner. This process has been optimized to be fast and easy, meaning that it is accessible even if you do not have extensive technical expertise. By following these simple steps, you can update the sidebar of your WordPress site in just a few minutes. Each part of this process has been designed to offer a seamless experience so that you can enhance your site's functionality without any unnecessary complications. Remember that this guide was created to help you succeed quickly and efficiently, harnessing the latest WordPress developments and functionality available in 2025. This concludes our step-by-step tutorial. With practice, these actions will become second nature, empowering you to continue making swift changes to your website as needed with confidence and ease. Enjoy editing your WordPress site and the creative possibilities that come along with a personalized sidebar.